Hey troopers, it is a very exciting day here on Vancouver Island, rocking it out with a field trip. It's the Island Trooper 4x4 rescue. What do we got here? 3 troopers that desperately need rescuing, but they are in pretty good position to be rescued. They've got all their tires, they're all holding air, and apparently one of them may have actually driven back here. I suspect the red one. This is an XS model. This one here looks like it's from the States. It's not a Trooper 2. It's an LS model. And way in the back there you can see a stock fairing. Okay? That tail wing was a pretty rare option, and I only have ever seen it a couple of times on LS models. And I have one back at the shop, but haven't installed it on a truck yet. I was just explaining to my client here, Trooper George, that we're looking at a functional wing here. What it does is it redirects the wind off of the roof line, and it prevents road debris, mud and sand and ice from forming on the back window, and it helps to keep the windshield wiper working smoothly, right? So you combine the defrost lines with the windshield wiper and a little bit of wind there, and that actually helps to keep that rear door quite clear during adverse driving conditions. Look at all these spare parts. Whoa, the old 11-piece rear bumper with a trailer hitch is pretty ugly. That thing's probably just full of cancer. It's bent from damage. But in the rear here, we're seeing pretty good looking quarters. I'm about to clear the hoods on these babies and get all the debris off. You can see the conditions that we fight on Vancouver Island. These turkeys are just going nuts in the background. Just going crazy. Anyways, yeah, the conditions that these trucks have to suffer, we have to fight this off on Vancouver Island. Everything will turn green here if you don't wash it, right? Like, check out this quarter window. Wow. Just covered in slime. These babies have been sitting for a few years or something here. Anyways, we're looking at picking up all 3 of these, and I think we're going to rescue them. I don't know about the frames yet. Haven't done a frame rod inspection. Oh, this guy's coming at me. I did not ask for this. You're an unscripted actor. Where did you come from? Tell me you're not getting defensive. Oh boy, what's going down here? Okay, troopers, these are the kinds of conditions that we go through to rescue a trooper. Very good trucks, you know. Goldie's just finished putting about almost 400 miles on Goldie with the new engine and the stainless steel exhaust. My God, this guy is chasing me down. I gotta go. This is just full-on retarded. I gotta go. Alright, we'll catch you later, troopers. I'm gonna get those option codes and figure out what we're sitting on here.